Hi, I'm Jillian Moore. Come join me on a tour of my newest acreage listing at 21 Meadowlark Estates. Built in 2017, this two-story home is fully developed with an open concept main floor, hardwood floors, quartz countertops, main floor laundry, and a suite mudroom off the attached garage. The second floor is a very peaceful space. 3 bedrooms are upstairs, one of them being the primary suite that has a nice sized walk-in closet as well as a 5-piece ensuite. The basement was recently developed, adding a gas fireplace in the family area, a guest room, a nook for an office, and a 4-piece bathroom. So if you think this acreage could be your next home, give me or your realtor a call for a private showing today.